Okay, everyone, continue with me today. At the first, I would like to good evening, teacher, and good evening, everyone, in our group today. Yes, today is welcome with me today and try to speak English every day. So sorry for late my recording video daily routine here, and I am big sorry, teacher, that late for recording or take my video. So today is I want to complete it already. Yeah. So today is I really so happy, and I get to complete my homework that provide to teacher. Yeah. And today is I'm going to talk about or going to uh, explain about the topic goal setting. Yeah, I know everyone living nowadays they always to have the goal setting. Yeah, and in the morning I always to get up at 6 or 7 a.m. Yeah, and after that I get up, I always to go to brush my teeth and go to take a shower and get a dress and eat breakfast and eat lunch, and in the evening I go to eat dinner, get ready. When I already all I always to have the powerful for focus on the setting goal. Yes, and nowadays everyone always to have the setting goal. So what is the goal setting? Yeah, goal setting it's always to need and focus about the hard work. Yes, every day and complete homework that teacher provide our class, and we always to need work for a job and get the money to develop yourself, and then in university student we always to need the goal setting water time. Everyone to need to do something that improve or grow your goal and reach your goal. Yes, we always to think positive thinking every day because it is very important for us to practice it more and more again and again. We always to reply it for uh, at school, at work, and we always to need habit goal and hobby for practice it to get a result for test or get a job better in the future, right? And so right now we always to stay a student, yeah, but we always to think about the goal setting. Yes, so goal setting is we always to uh, control your time and soul, do everything that it is very important and we need right now. Nothing uh, about the I cannot do it, I dislike it. Yes, we always to try to do it. Yeah, and conclusion about this goal setting, everyone can success our job or get the result to better or grow our uh, future, right? And everyone can get the new thing, new idea, new experience, grow everything that everyone can improve it every day. So the my video is to come at end. So thank you for watching, for like. Yes, thank you so much for watching. Yeah.